Hi everyone and welcome to week 12 of Writing 111. We're beginning our fourth module, the research essay, which will be the last major project you complete for this course. I've been really enjoying reading your rhetorical analyses. I've maybe responded to about 6 of them so far, and I should be able to get them done within a week of when you submit them. So cross your fingers and wish me speedy reading, but I've really been enjoying what I've read so far. Bravo, everyone. This week in terms of media, you're mostly directing your own reading. You're searching library databases, you're seeking information about your topic, and you're doing a lot of reading about that. I've also included in this week's media some important information about APA style. For example, how to cite an interview, how to include tables and figures, and then specific information about in-text citations, especially parenthetical versus narrative style citations. Please make sure you have read these before class and you're ready to talk about them. This week you're going to start the large group workshop on the research essay. You can find directions here and the sample paper here. This is what I think was a pretty effective research essay. Of course, not perfect. It's on the Alaska foster care system, and this was completed by a student in this class in 2022. So before class on Wednesday, I would love it if everyone made a few comments, read through this, came to class with a solid example read and an idea of some possibilities that you might take in your own research writing. Later this week, I'll also ask you to start really narrowing your topic. So by Friday, I would like you to turn in the statement of the problem. In the statement of the problem, you're going to write about a page, double-spaced, explaining the problem you want to address in your research paper. I want you to include at least one source of information and one local source and one scholarly source. Tell me why you chose them and provide reference entries in APA style. I would also like you to include your purpose statement. In your purpose statement, you're just going to write about a half page and explain what you want to accomplish in your essay. You might want to be persuading your reader or to inform your reader, maybe to spark change in our community. So these steps will help you start moving forward with your research essay. I look forward to seeing you all in class on Wednesday.